Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in your WordPress web pages or website. Like this, you may see digital marketing and its sub-options are here. This is the drop-down. This is also a drop-down. So, how to do that? Let's come to learn. First, log into your WordPress admin panel. Here we go. Now in the left side of your interface, you will find a appearance option. In the appearance option, when you will mouse over it, it will fly out and will give you the more options. You have to select the menu. Just click this. Here we go. Now in my case of this theme, I have options like that. But in your case, it may be a little bit different, but most of work will be the same. Let me show you how to make this drop down menu. Here is our main menu and I'm going to edit it. Look at this. Here is the parent category and here is a subcategory. You may call it child. Okay. Digital marketing and digital marketing plan, digital marketing research, digital marketing. Now I'm going to create a new menu and will show you how this drop down will be established. You can find here an option create a new menu. Click this, type the name of your menu. Let's suppose I'm giving it the name test and create the menu. Now your test menu have created. Now you have to edit this menu. Select at the left side, you will find the pages and posts in this website. For example, I want to select option here freelancing and click add to menu. You can see that this page is here. Now I'm going to select some post and add to menu, this post, add to menu, and now let me view all and click this. You have 4 one page and 3 posts in this menu. Now come to the point of drop down. For example, this is our main category and we want to put it in drop down list. Just click this and drag it to your right side. You can see there is a difference here, and if you want to put it also, just drag it to right side. This one also. Now our menu, drop down menu has completed. Now you have to select the menu, save menu. This menu is saved. If you want to show this menu to your website, just manage location, and in main menu, I want to show test. Save this. Let me show you in the web page. Here is the page. Just refresh it. You can see our test menu. It's the main category and 3 child categories. So the job done. We have learned how to make the drop-down menu in WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.